Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is November the 29th, 2019, and I wanted to give you a quick update on how the thyme seedlings that I had started from seed are doing. So you can see here, now thyme is a very slow growing herb and does not like to be overwatered. So that's one thing that you want to make sure that you're not overwatering your thyme seedlings, because they really do not like that. These do have their true leaves, so they are being fed once every 2 weeks with a product called Sea Magic, and that is an organic product that I'm using to feed these on. And not overwatering these is a really important thing. So that's something I really have to watch. I did have another plant before and I accidentally overwatered it, and unfortunately I lost that one. So I'm trying again with these right here. So I just wanted to give you this quick video update. Now these are not ready to be transplanted yet. They still have a long way to go until I transplant them. But when I do transplant them, I'll come back with a video and I will show it to you for how I transplant them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to start putting a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter, and I'll have links down in the description for my social media accounts. Thank yous for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.